Hii ni chaneli yangu ya YouTube. Ni studio yangu kabovu. I don't think kama ni studio ya maana sana, but it's my studio now. But I wanted to address something kuhusu muziki wa Tanzania, baadhi ya wasanii. I think Harmonize is very talented. Harmonize is a very talented artist in Tanzania. Okay. Most of them artists from Tanzania is very good, talented. Everything I think is good, but Harmonize, I think, is the most of one who God bless him artist.
Hi, it's your
and he's doing
speaking.
well.
You have a new message.
But I think sometimes this is called bangi, ganja, called ganja or bangi or whatever. But bangi, Harmonize, wacha bangi ndugu yangu. We, just leave that thing, that can sing. If you take that casing, you're going to make like you think you are best of the best, and no one can beat you, no one can reach your level. But you know, you are still small, very small, my brother, very small. When big artists on this world, I think you are just serious. Just chill, do music, good music, and I see you say, oh, you are best artist in East Africa, oh, you are best artist in Tanzania. Hey, my brother, we already know the best artist from Tanzania is Diamond Platnumz. Just you is number 5 or 3 or what, but number 1 is Diamond Platnumz. Just leave that man, leave him, okay? Say number 3 or number 5. Number 2 already someone called Ivan is already there. Just I want to address Harmonize, tulia ndugu yangu. Wewe ni msanii mkali sana. Very good artist. Just leave that fucking mind, and that beef, which one is foolish beef, or you want to talk about Diamond, bad thing about Diamond. Father is still your father, or wherever is God mad, or wherever is your father. Okay? Do good music, we'll support you. And me, I will support you on my power. If I don't have power, I will listen to your music. If I have power, I will go tell people, listen this music. Okay? Hala.